Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a closet clean out. I have not done one of these in way too long on here. I think the last one was like October or something of last year. Anyways, before we get started, I wanted to tell you about a really exciting opportunity to earn free clothes from Temu. Temu is running a campaign where if you put this code into your Temu search engine, just like it is on the screen, you will have the chance to get 3 items sent to your home for free. No shipping, nothing required. You play their game, and if you get all 3 items, then you get them shipped. The code will be in my description, and so will the link to download the app if you want to play the game and see if you win free items. Thank you so much, Temu, for partnering with me. And let's get right on into this closet clean out. Okay, so the goal here is to just figure out what I'm wearing. I do want to start with dresses first because I feel like I accumulate those and then I don't wear them a lot. So I'm going to go through those real quick and I'll pull them out and we can talk about it. So to start off here, I kept most of these t-shirt dresses and these little baby doll dresses. I wear them pretty frequently and they're some of my favorites in my closet. I decided to not hang up this slip dress anymore. I kept a lot of these little strappy dresses. I decided to not keep the Amazon dress there. It was a bodycon, just not my favorite. Kept both of those. This still has the tags on it, so of course I am passing on that. And this dress I ended up passing on as well. It did go in the maybe pile. There's another t-shirt dress. I did keep this one as well. That one in the maybe pile. I passed on this blue dress from Shein and kept that little lacy one, as well as this dress from Forever 21 I passed on as well, and that dress from Shein I got rid of. Just not my style anymore. Kept most of my maxi dresses. They are gorgeous. I love them. To keep these more businessy dresses and pass on that sparkly one, it never did fit me right. Keeping those as well as these 2 little bodycon dresses. They're staples to have in my closet. Okay, I have a good amount of hangers here. I have 8 hangers here so far. I have 8 dresses that are going to Plato's or on my Mercari. Again, I will have that linked down below. I'm going to put the dresses that I am for sure keeping back in the closet. I will start a maybe pile and then we can move on. I will put these hangers somewhere else as well so they aren't in my way. Okay, moving on to sweaters. I'm just going to go through these real quick. I have this one I got gifted from an Amazon seller. I really like it. It's lightweight. It's great for spring. So I'm keeping this one. My Taylor Swift cardigan, obviously I'm keeping. This long Nordstrom BP sweater I wear a lot in the fall. This one is a little bit funky. I was gifted it from an Amazon brand. I think I'm going to pass on this one just because I haven't reached for it this past fall. So that's kind of where I am. This Abound sweater from Nordstrom Rack, I think I'm going to pass on. Again, I just never reach for it. I like wear like crop sweaters. They make me not look so old. I have this fuzzy white sweater that is super comfortable. This little green sweater from Ross. I have a sweater from Roxy here that I got recently, so I'm keeping that one. There is my little cropped black sweater that I'm keeping. I think that's Topshop. I have an Aerie sweater, an H&M sweater, and a Forever 21 sweater that I reach for a lot, as well as my Christmas sweater that I'm keeping for that. Moving on, we have flannels and kind of overshirts. I have this jean overshirt from Amazon that you can like tie up. It's really cute and I like it. This American Eagle flannel, I think I'm going to pass on this. I just don't love yellow on me and I'm going to pass on that. Just stuff I don't wear a lot. This flannel I'm keeping this Wild Fable one, and the other one I have this American Eagle super soft flannel. It's super cute. I love that. I have another Roxy flannel. I have the Evermore Taylor Swift flannel dupe in here as well. I have this one I got from a local boutique. I absolutely love it. Another Target one. This BP flannel is okay. It might go. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile. I have this green button down from Amazon and this little like cover up from, I think I got it at Action, is bodysuits and tank tops, which I've gone through recently, so I'm not going to go through those on camera. I reorganized them and they are pretty whittled down to what I wanted to keep. So I'm just going to move on here. Oops. I have a, a t-shirt. What do you call this? Like a cut-off t-shirt from Taylor Swift. I'm going to put this somewhere else so it won't be hung up anymore. I have a couple tank tops that don't fit on like regular hangers. I have a bodysuit here. I think I'm going to get rid of this. I just don't reach for it. It is cute, but I just don't reach for it. Black bodysuit, keeping these bodysuits as well. Now I'm moving into t-shirts. This t-shirt from Parade is super comfortable. I might hang it, so I think I'm going to keep this somewhere else, so I'm not going to hang it up. Just trying to get some of the weight off of this bar, because it is kind of heavy. This bar has been freaking me out recently. It's been dipping a little bit. I don't want all my clothes to fall. Basic t-shirts, keeping those. This one, I did wear this recently, and it just rolls up and looks a little silly. So I think I'm going to get rid of this one, just because it doesn't lay like I want it to. Have a cropped graphic tee here. Moving into like blouses. This is really cute from, I think I got this at Ross. I haven't worn it yet this year. That's a Shein top. Couple H&M tops in here. I think I'm going to pass on this one I've had for a few years. This is a little cropped Shein top. The pile on my floor is giving me anxiety. Got this little Zara top at Marshall's. A couple American Eagle tops. This top from Express is cute, but there's nothing I like love about it, so I think I'm gonna pass. I think I was gifted this last year, and I don't work with them anymore, so I'm gonna pass on that. A couple little these like ruffle sleeve tops I wear a lot. Again, another Express tee that I just don't love. I might give this to my mom if she wants it. A bodysuit from Parade I'm going to put with the rest of my bodysuit, along with this American Eagle flannel. Last thing on this side is this little halter top from Target, Wild Fable. I like it. I haven't worn it a lot, so I'm going to keep it and see which other ways I can style it. I do have some linen pants that I think this would look super cute with. And a couple spare hangers I'll put with the rest of them, as well as another t-shirt that I've worn recently that I need to put with the rest of the t-shirts. Okay, that feels so much better. Now I have so much more space. I feel really good about this. Let's move to the other side now. Okay, on this side of my closet, I have like shackets. I have winter like long sleeves in the back here. And in the front, I have some random things that need to be reorganized. I have skirts, I have shorts, and like a couple jackets and my overalls that, again, just need to really be reorganized. I don't have a lot of this kind of stuff, so it should go pretty quick. First, on this side, I have these skirts. I don't think I'm going to get rid of any of these. I've gone through them recently, so I'm just going to put these on the side for now to get them out of the way. I have my overalls from Old Navy. These are my little short ones. I love these, keeping those. My Juicy jacket, I am also keeping. I love it. I got this on sale at Nordstrom Rack, and I got it for like 20 bucks, and I was like, this is a steal. So I'm definitely keeping this. Keeping that, I have this long sleeve shirt from Forever 21 that I got at Burlington. Absolutely love this. It does need to go in the back though, so I will be putting this aside for now. When we get there, I have this bodysuit from Temu. Love it. It's super cute with like this like detail. Keeping that as well. I have my blazer that I wear not super frequently, but I like to have it in my closet. Here are like my shorts and a couple little skirts and skirts. Most of them are from Shein. I wear these pretty often. I might get rid of these, honestly. I'm not sure about these. Passing on these little shorts from Shein. Not my favorite anymore. As well as these from Old Navy that still have the tags on them. I might try to return these, honestly, and get my money back. Even though I got them all recently, they just don't fit that well. The legs are a little wide, and it's not my favorite thing. Other than that, I think I have all of these shorts that I want to keep. Okay, moving on. I have my leather jacket, which is a staple, as well as my overalls. This ink jacket is super cute. It's like got like ruffles. I've worn it to a couple concerts, but I like it. I might have my mom wear this to the Eras tour, honestly. So keeping that. My shackets, I have a lot of them, and this long sleeve that needs to go towards the back. I got a lot of these at Nordstrom Rack for a pretty good deal. So I'm keeping those just for the versatility of it, and I wear these a lot in the winter, so I'm keeping those. I might move them towards the back of the closet. I'm gonna pass on this long sleeve from Target that I got. It's just not my favorite, and I didn't really fit like I wanted. Okay, this Old Navy bodysuit's great, as well as this shirt from Amazon. I have that long sleeve that I mentioned. Have this like off-the-shoulder bodysuit from Express, this little cropped shirt, as well as another couple more Express bodysuits that I have been gifted. These Gap long sleeve dress sweater, this Hollister Henley, as well as some more bodysuits. This probably doesn't fit me anymore, to be completely honest with you. What size is it? A large. Yeah, I'm going to pass on this because it was tight when I got it and I doubt it will fit me anymore. So, more Henleys, a Taylor Swift shirt, this like lounge shirt from Old Navy, and some more long sleeves. I'm going to get rid of this just because I never really know how to style it. It's got these like drawstrings. I bought it on like clearance from Forever 21. Not my favorite. Just passing on that as well. Over towards the back of my closet where I have some basic layering tank tops that I wear under stuff in the winter because it gets cold and you have to layer stuff. I have like my button up long sleeve back here, as well as this vintage, I don't know if you can see this vintage Looney Tunes button down. That was my mom's, and my overalls. And then there's just some costumey stuff back here that I'm keeping and sentimental stuff. So that is all staying. Again, not as much gone from this side. Just since it's really not in season, I'll hang on to it. I did want to move these towards the back, so let's do that. Oops. I'm moving these towards the back so they're not really in the way anymore. Okay, that feels a little bit better. Now I'm just going to kind of regroup and stack up some of the things, fold up some of the things that I have on the ground. Let me show you what the ground looks like. This is the current state of my bedroom floor, and my bed is all a mess. So I'm going to clean this up and I will regroup in the living room. Okay, so I have a good pile of stuff going to Goodwill. I have a good pile of stuff that's going to go to Plato's, and hopefully they will take that. If I will update you guys with how much they actually take, because it's just a thing that I like. I'll put it in a comment. This video will probably go out before I make it out there, but I will definitely update you guys in the comments. If anything doesn't go to Plato's, I will be putting it on my mercari, which will be in the description, as well as the rest of my socials, so make sure you go follow me on there. I am much more active over on Instagram and TikTok, and also here on YouTube Shorts. I have been posting really consistently on there. And if you are here from YouTube Shorts, hi, I hope you enjoyed this video. Crooked. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified. Also turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to check out Temu's free item giveaway, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye!